Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to scan a QR code on blockchain.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the blockchain.com application. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but if you don't have one guys, you can always go and register to blockchain.com. So guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the official blockchain app, we have the account and the DFI wallet. You can go and click on either. Also, down here we have the home screen, prices, and the earn button. Now, let's see guys how you can actually go and scan your QR code on blockchain. So it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do guys is go and open the blockchain Bitcoin wallet app on your device. So when you did that, then on the main screen of the application, tap on the send button. So basically what you need to do is go and tap on the send button. In the to field, you'll see a QR code icon. Then guys, you just need to go and tap on this icon to open the QR code scanner. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you found it informative and entertaining guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this guys helps us a lot in creating our channel much bigger. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.